Hello students, welcome back to your class of English, and today we'll discuss about one other type of letters, that is letters of placing orders. And first of all, let's have a quick recapitulation of about the letters, its types, and then today we'll discuss in detail about the letters of placing order. So first of all, let's have a quick recapitulation that what are letters. As we know that a letter is a form of written communication, and there are two types of letters. The first one are formal letters and the other are informal letters. So formal letters includes letters to editor and letters to concerned authorities regarding any civic or any general problem. It may be to any official, it may be to any authority. So it is a formal type of letter. And the letters to the editor is to give suggestions or opinions on issue of public interest, and letters to concerned authorities regarding any general problem. And the next one is applications for job, business or official letters for making inquiries, registering complaints, asking and giving information, placing and cancelling orders, and sending replies. So now we'll talk about the letter of placing order, as they are one type of business letter. As we most of the time we write down this type of letter for placing order for some items. It may be any sports item, it may be medicines, it may be any other items or objects. So it is a written business communication, and it may be an official letter. It may be from the side of school, any organization, any office, any institution, or it may be for the personal usage or purpose, but it is a type of business written communication. So the letter, the format that we follow, as we know that it is a formal letter, so the format will be of formal letter. So now let's talk about the language particular. What type of the language is required to write down this letter? So we talk about the language particulars. Present simple, present continuous tense can be used, and it should be used in the passive voice, because we know that in passive voice the object is more important than the subject. So here the work, the items that are to be ordered are more important than who is ordering, because as if we talk about the format, the sender has already introduced about himself in the beginning of the passage, in the beginning of the body. So the rest of the sentences would be quite impressible if we write down these sentences into passive voice form. And then be concise and precise about placing order. As we know that in formal letters it is always advisable that be concise and particular. Don't add any personal information. Don't talk about here and there. Just be accurate, precise and concise about your purpose. So while placing an order of your items, be very precise and concise about your order. And then provide detail and clarity about items. Name, code, size, color and quantity. When we talk about, suppose you have to order the sports item, then you have to mention the details. What are the items that you are ordering or placing the order, like cricket balls, bats, rackets, badminton rackets or tennis rackets, then shuttlecocks, whatever. So the details of the placing order should be mentioned clearly, and the name of the items, their code, size, brand, color, quantity clearly mentioned. Then write down the short and uncomplicated sentences to avoid ambiguity or any kind of confusion. And the language should be polite and from the business like. It should be the polite one, formal and business like. Don't add any personal information, rather is very required, and most probably you need to avoid adding any personal information. So the language, the tone and the style would be the formal one, and at the same time polite one and the business like. So this is the language particulars. Then what are the style, what is the style or the tone should be of. As let's have a quick recapitulation that the simple present tense or the present continuous tense should be used. Then the sentences should be in the passive voice form, and then you need to be very concise and precise one about placing order, and then you need to provide the detail in clarity about the items, name, code, size, color, quantity. And it's better when you write on the content, make a table so that you can clearly state about the brand, the color, the quantity, and each and everything that is required to provide the details of the order. Then write down the sentences into short and avoid to write down the complicated sentences. Then the language, as we know, that is a formal letter, so the language should be the formal one, business like, polite and formal. So now let's talk about the content of the letter. So as we know that most of the letters we divide into 3 paragraphs. So here in this type of letter as well, there should be the first paragraph that is reference to any advertisement, communication, catalog or quotation for placing order. So here while placing the order, you can give the reference to any advertisement that you have come across or any earlier communication that you have with any of the member of the company or the factory. Then you can refer to any catalog or quotation that has been quoted earlier. And the next one would be the details of products, its type, brand, quantity, color, size, style, and table of items. That is most important. When you're placing an order, it would be quite convenient if you will make a table of the items that you want to order. Then what can be the type of the table? Then first you can write down the serial number, then the item, then its brand, its quantity or its color, size. So you can make the table that would be more convenient for you as well as for the person to whom you are writing down the letter, means to the receiver. So write down the details in this manner. Make a table in the tabular form, like write down first serial number, then item, brand, then quantity, or if anything other item that is necessary to add on. And then the next word would be the quality, to talk about the quality, the discount, the mode of payment, and the last date of the payment. So then in the concluding paragraph, you will ensure about the good quality of the items that would be being placed. And then you will talk about the discount after saying as you are the regular customer and you have been in contact with this firm or the company after means for a long time, and you will ask for the mode of payment, the last date, and even you will mention that the payment would be done after the delivery or by check. So all these details you will provide in the concluding paragraph. So the first paragraph would be about the reference to advertisement, any communication, catalog or quotation, and the next paragraph would be about the details of products, types, brand, quantity, color, size, style or code. And you will make the tabular form of table to state clearly about the items, their quality, their brand, their quantity, their style, etc. And in the concluding paragraph, you will ask about you will ensure about the quality, the discount, the delivery mode, the last date of payment, and the mode of payment. And in the last, you will write down thank you, then closers if required. Thank you, then after leaving one line, yours truly, then you will your signature, name, and designation. And then if you want to enclose anything, that you can enclose that along with your letter. So now let's have a look at the sample letter. Let's read out. As a manager of Silver Line Restaurant, Ashok Nagar, New Delhi, write a letter to the sales manager, Prakash Electronics, Vasant Kunj, New Delhi, placing an order for microwaves, AC, LCDs and bulbs. Let's read out this statement one more time to understand it. As a manager of Silver Line Restaurant, Ashok Nagar, New Delhi. Write a letter to the sales manager, Prakash Electronics, Vasant Kunj, New Delhi, placing an order for microwaves, AC, LCDs and bulbs. As my dear students, you have seen that here the sender would be the manager of Silver Line restaurant that is in Ashok Nagar, New Delhi. So the receiver would be the sales manager of Prakash Electronics, Vasant Kunj, and the order is about for microwaves, ACs, LCDs and bulbs. So let's see how to write down this letter. Then as you know that first there would be the sender's address. So here is written B106 Phase 1 Silver Line Restaurant, Ashok Nagar, New Delhi. Then as we know that there would be the date, then we will mention the date, and after leaving one line there would be the receiver's address, the sales manager Prakash Electronics, Vasant Kunj, New Delhi. Then after that there would be leaving one line space salutation, simply write down sir or ma'am. After that there would be the subject, placement of order for electronic or electronics. So the body of the letter would contain that this is with reference to your quotation dated on this and this date. We place an order for the following electronic appliance. So this is with reference, as we have discussed earlier, that here as to start with this letter you can give the reference of any quotation or any advertisement or any other communication. So this is with reference to your quotation dated on this and this. We place an order for the following electronic items. Then there would be the table that you want to place the order of the items. Like there would be serial number, items name, item code, number of items or quantity, then brand. Then items name is ACs, microwaves, LCDs, LED bulbs. Then the item code 028394115. Then the number of items 10, 10, 820 as per you want to order. Then the brand, it may be Samsung, LCD, Philips or any other brand that you want to order. So my dear students, as you can watch here in the video, that in the second paragraph the table has been made. So it is clearly stating about the number of items, its item code, the brand and the item's name, and it would be more convenient on the part of the receiver to understand about the order. So then in the concluding paragraph you will write down, and even the second after this table you can even given 2-3 lines related to the items, that we are placing this order based on the quotation sent by your center or firm. We are assured that all the items would be of best quality and in perfect condition. We hope that packaging cost is included in the price given. In case of any damage during delivery, it would be returned at your cost. Then the needless to say 15% discount would be given as specified in your quotation, and payment will be made by cash and items once items reach us. I request that the items would be reached by 30th January or the date that you have given. So then after that there will be the complimentary close. Thanking you, yours faithfully, your name and your designation. So this is all about the letter of placing orders. So my dear students, I hope that you have understood about this letter, and in my next video I will discuss more about this letter. So till now just do the practice of letters to editor. Thank you.